For our first filming session, we had planned to film in Toonland in Norwich around 7:30 p.m. We had already been there before and did some test footage to assure the lighting would be okay considering it was night time. Thankfully the lamps along the street were enough, so there was no need for extra lighting. Ben had the song with him and we had the rest of the equipment, so we were ready to begin filming. We wanted to get all 3 tracking shots completed, all of which were quite complex, and it was very important to stop each shot at the right time to allow the transition from one shot to another to work with Ben's lip syncing in each shot. For the first tracking shot, Ben had to lip sync across the street while we filmed walking backwards to create the effect that Ben was singing to the audience. After Ben walked past the couple, we focused on them and then continued the shot by tracking the first girlfriend into the alleyway. The shot took quite a few takes as all the actors had to work in perfect synchronisation, as well as the camera being steady and Ben lip syncing well. The second shot entailed Ben walking past the second couple who were supposed to be in love. We also wanted to transition at the end of the shot to zoom into some Christmas lights to enable us to change to a different set of lights on a different street. This was the main area we had to focus on to ensure that the zoom worked well. Again, we did quite a few takes to make sure the shot worked well and to give us multiple options for editing. After completing the first 2 shots, we got used to tracking Ben and keeping the camera steady, so the last shot was captured quite quickly. After panning down from the Christmas lights onto the tree, the focus was on the 2 girls who were confiding in each other about their boyfriends. The focus then had to switch back to Ben, and then would eventually pan up into the night sky. This then allowed us to make another location change, as well as us being able to use the video transition to fade to black in the editing stages.